I'm going to tell you this story called Everybody's Special. There once was a building full of people. Each person inside was very special and could do many things. All of the people belonged to a special family who lived in pretty little rooms. Each family had something awesome about them. Whatever special thing they had made them happy. Some were artistic, some were musical, some were athletic and could even do gymnastics. Others danced. But one little boy sat outside of the building on the limb of a tree. He thought about all the people in this building and all their special things. This little boy's heart was not happy. He thought he had no specialty because he could not dance, sing, and he could not draw. He could not do gymnastics. He could not throw a basketball that well. And he wasn't a fast runner. He could not even tie his own shoes. He looked into the bright blue sky. He saw a yellow plane. He wondered about this little person in this lemon-colored plane. Oh, how he wanted to fly a plane just like that, but only special people flew planes. He felt sad because he really wanted to be special enough to fly a plane. He wondered what made a pilot special. Pilots have no fear of heights. He doesn't have any fear of heights either. He climbed the tree. Pilots have good listening skills to listen to air traffic controllers. He knows he is a good listener. He listens to his parents when they tell him to clean his room. He listens to his teacher when she tells him to write his stories and follow the rules. He listens to the crossing guard so he can be safe crossing the street. Pilots have good learning and practicing skills to know what all the gadgets and buttons and controllers do. He thought about it. He learned how to ride his bike. He learned how to load the dishwasher. He learned about sharks and could even name 10 of them. Pilots have sharp eyesight and are good at looking where they're going, so they can take everyone where they need to go. The boy remembered he wore glasses to see well. He was also good at looking at teeny tiny things. Pilots also need to be friendly. They need to be nice to other pilots and to the people on the planes because it's important that people feel safe and they need to trust the pilot. The boy thought about school when he got a good day report from his teacher because he was so nice to his friends. Finally, pilots have bravery. The little boy had bravery too because at school he told a long point on stage. He spoke loud enough for lots and lots of people to hear. He noticed that he does have special things. He was good at school. He was brave. He was kind, and he loved to help other people. He realized he was special in his own way. He did not need to do what other people did to be special. Maybe he would be a pilot or maybe something else, but he realized everything is special. He is, and so are other people. We are all special in our own way. The end.